Hello, everyone. Today we are going to be focusing on royal nouns, specifically talking about singular and plural nouns. So, to begin, let's do a little review. A noun can be several different things, it can be a person, a place, or a thing. So, for example, it can be a princess, a castle, or a crown. Here on this page, you can see several examples of nouns. We have a carriage, which is a thing, a wand, which is also a thing, a knight, which is a person, or a castle, which is a place. When you're working with nouns, nouns can either be singular or they can be plural. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, if you look at your screen, singular is right here. And when I look here, I see one wand because singular means that there is only one object. Now, if we're talking about plural, I see several wands. Plural nouns are when you see more than one object. So here we have a singular noun, one person, one place, or one thing. And in this case, we have one castle. So we just say castle because we only have one. Now, if we're working with plural nouns, on my screen I see not one knight, but two. So if I have more than one person, more than one place, or more than one thing, I need to do something to my noun. So if we look on here, it says two knights. And I added an S at the end to make it plural because there's more than one. Here are some rules for spelling plural nouns. Rule number 1, just add S. Now first, let's go back to a singular noun. Here's a crown on this page, just one. So we would say, the crown is beautiful. Since there's only one, we do not add anything to the end of this word. However, on this page, we see that there are two. So that means that there's more than one. So I need to add an S to the end of this word to make it plural. So instead of saying the crown, I'm going to say the crowns are beautiful. And I added an S at the end of crown. Now, sometimes you will have words that end in certain ways, and we have to make sure that we check so that we add what we need to add at the end. So rule number 2 says, if the noun ends in CH, S, SH, X, or Z, you add an ES, not just an S. So if I look at this page, I see not one princess, but two. So I'm not going to say the princess, I'm going to say the princesses because there's two of them. And because princess ended in an S, I need to add an ES at the end, not just an S. So let's practice. Here I see 3, which tells me there's more than one. And then that should tell me that this is definitely plural. So I know that it's a frog, and I know there's 3 of them. So I need to add an S at the end of frog to make it plural because there's more than one. So it changes to frogs. Here I have 1. So I'm just going to leave it princess because there's only one princess. So I do not add anything to the end of that word because it's a singular noun and not a plural noun. Finally, I see 2. And that tells me, it's plural, not singular. There's more than one. So I again need to add an S at the end of the word wand to make it wands because there is more than one. So remember, when you are working with nouns, if you see more than one, you're going to add an S or an ES at the end of it. Good luck.